Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. In today's video we'll be working here on a Dodge Dart, guys, and if you have a Dodge Dart generation 2013 to 2017 and you're trying to find the fuses, guys, for the engine computer, also known as PCM, ECM, ECU, guys, so many different names, but if you're trying to find the fuse for the engine computer, stay with us. We'll explain where the fuses are located. I think you have 4 or 5. We're going to explain about each one of them. Make sure you stay with us until the end. Quick introduction: every car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 videos. Why we do that, guys? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you guys want to save even more money on car parts and tools, check out the link in the description of the video below, guys. It will be there for your convenience. So let's start on the engine, ECU, fuses, and we'll explain where they're located. So first we're going to open the hood and I'll explain what we'll be doing here. Okay, perfect. Now let me show you guys. Okay, as you know, this car has 3 different fuse boxes, but we need to work in the fuse box that's under the hood. Now when you open your hood, guys, you're going to notice that device next to your car battery. This is your engine computer. That's the ECU, guys. That's a very important component. Without that thing your car will never start. So that's what's controlling your engine, guys, everything about your engine. Now you have a few fuses that you need to check about that ECU, guys. Okay, 4 fuses to be more specific that we need to check. So we're going to go ahead, open the fuse box now. How you do that? Okay, pretty simple, guys, not very complicated. You grab it here, push in, then pull up, and then come out like that. Now on the back side of the fuses, okay, you're going to notice, guys, that you have actually here the numbers. The one with T, it's a relay. The one with F, it's a fuse. The first fuse that we need to check, guys, it's actually fuse F11. F11. Okay, just check whoever numbered those. I don't know what they had in mind. It goes 82, 4, 81, 2, 1, 22, then it goes to 11. So F11, okay, it's this fuse right here. Now, if you're guys on the market for very affordable and good amount of fuses, guys, that you can get for a super cheap price, check out the link, guys, in the description of the video below. We'll have that one listed there for your convenience. So that's the first fuse. What about another fuse? We need to find fuse number F16, F16, this one right there. This one, guys, will be, that's a relay fuse, F16, the second fuse from the relay. One is missing, so that blue fuse, guys, okay, right here. Okay, this is the fuse that's for the engine computer as well. Now you have 2 more. We're not done. We need to find fuse number 18, F18, and if you check it out, it's under that big relay on the right side, and that's a 20M fuse. Okay, this fuse right here, it's another fuse. And the last fuse, guys, will be fuse number 24, F24. So okay, let's see where that guy is located. And looking at it right now, okay, it's this fuse here, so it will be the third one. 1, 2, 3, so this fuse. So you can see these 2 fuses, the one here and the one over there, guys. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.